In this video, we're going to learn about missing numbers from a sequence. So a sequence is just a series of numbers, and we could look at the sequence here. And the problem says, which number is missing from the sequence? And here's the sequence, 60, 57, 54. This is the number we're trying to find, and then 48, 45, 41. So the best way to solve this problem is to use a number line. So if we have a number line here, we can notice that when we start from 60 and go to 57, so let's do that. So 1, 2, 3. Here we are at 57. So let's try the next one. From 57 to 54, it's 1, 2, 3. Then there's a blank. So let's try to see what happens if we go 3 more. So 1, 2, 3. We're at 51. Let's keep going and see if we hit 48. One, 2, 3. Yeah, 48. So this sequence is going down by 3 units each time. It goes down by 3 each time. So we know that our answer, our missing number, is 51. So let's write that in. 51 is the missing number from the sequence. And you don't always need to use a number line. You can count backwards. 61 from 60. So 59, 58, 57. That's 3, right? Then from here we go 56, 55, 54. That's 3, right? From here we go 53, 52, 51. That's 3. And you just keep going. And then that's how you figure it out if you don't have a number line. And that's the answer.